Bless up, bless up, bless up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video, another shoe review video for y'all. I know y'all, I hope y'all not getting tired of this because I'm going to keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it. But y'all need to start hyping these videos up more, or like saying something in the comments, because it be a ghost town in there. And we supposed to be family. Like, come on. Let's eat up together. Anyways, but were y'all like slowly falling? I feel like y'all was just slowly falling low key. Okay, this should be good. Hopefully my camera don't die before all of this, because this has 2 bars left. Anyways, alright. If it do, I can easily switch it out. Alright, so before we start this shoe video for y'all, it's not even a shoe, it's more like a slide, but before we start this review for y'all, make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, share, do what y'all need to do. You already know the deal. Like, come on. Come on. Comment, subscribe, y'all. Comment and subscribe. Those are my main 2 that I love the most. But without further ado, I'm surprised this shoe came. I'm surprised I even have this shoe. I'm building up my designer box wall over here. I would say this goes on top of like the Louis one, but that don't even matter right now. But like, y'all, this is something different. This is my first slide I've got sent to me. I've always wanted this. I can't even speak. I've always wanted this slide, but never really had it in my hands for real. I'm just gonna take this off. Y'all, mind y'all, when I say I be booked and busy, y'all, I just had 2 interviews and things like that, and then I gotta go to work later. It's like, adulting is ghetto. But anyways, I'm done talking. We have the Dior slide. I never had seen a Dior box in person. Honestly, it really looked like a shoe. Well, it is kind of a shoe box, but like, and I really like how it has this. But like, if you was to open the box, boom, you know. But yeah, this is the tag or whatever. It's Dior. This. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to get a different shoe box because the one I was using, it was slippery, so it kept making the phone fall. But like I was saying, from off rip, the quality of this box, like I said, I don't know, I haven't touched or seen an actual Dior box, but like the quality of this box is like, it's sturdy, like it gives like the real stuff, like the real deal. It is not nothing like no plastic, it's like pleather. You know what I'm talking about. But yes, this says Dior in front. Alright, you open it. Ooh, ooh, boom. Like I said, hard. Yeah. Alright. So what comes inside, you know, like the designer things that they give you extra stuff. They got this Dior card, whatever. All this stuff is in Chinese though, so I can't read none of it. But it just got this Dior card. This bag, no shade to them, but like, why would you give me a bag that can't fit both shoes in it? I don't know. But yeah, they got this bag. I guess to put one. I don't know. They probably can't fit if you smush down the big part. But anyways, we got the bag in here. Then we got whatever is this supposed to be. Probably the Dior model or something like that. Like I said, everything's in Chinese. And then we got the tag. Boom. You gonna focus? Boom. This is the company. It's SUBSRCIBE. Discount code is Tyler for $15 off. You already know. Y'all just came about that out. Let me just get a whole new battery. 1 second. Okay, I keep stopping and doing this video like it don't make no sense. But like I was saying, yeah, I already set the discount and things like that. But okay, now let's actually get into the shoe for real. We got the Gold Dior with the wrapping. Boom. Open it up. And boom. Y'all, now that I realize I haven't done a shoe in a cool minute that had just regular wrapping. Like all these shoes I've been showing y'all have been having like this extreme wrapping. Like it didn't even make no sense. But I think that's all that's in here for real. It's just that. Let's push this to the side. So we have the plastic wrapping to begin with. Boom. These are, I even know a name for them, y'all. I don't even, hold on. Let me look up like the actual name for these. Found the name. So these are the Dior Alpha sandals. They have some in black and they have some in beige. These are the beige ones, as I can see. I would look to get the black ones too, but my friend over here did not have any. But these are better because I feel like you can see the brand more. But yeah, make sure you go shop with my friend over here. Thank you. But when I first was gonna get these, I thought these were like very flimsy, like, but no, this is actually sturdy. Like the quality is really good. The print is really good. Let's give y'all like a close up of like the details. This the bottom of it. When I tell you I'm about to wear these tomorrow, like I'm about to wear these tomorrow. Like, ooh. I just like the small details of it. The fit, I did have to adjust it a little bit. It was a little tight, but I figured it out. Yeah, I did figure it out. I want to see, I'm finna put the shoe in here and see. Well, maybe it might, y'all, it might can work. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Let me scoot this over. It might work. Cause these do go flat too, so I probably lied, y'all. I probably lied to y'all. It's not gonna work. Or it's probably getting caught on something. Hold on. Hold on. Or no, it's not gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work, y'all. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, forget about it. I tried. But yeah, that was that. But yeah, this is like not any ordinary slide. This is a slide for real. Like, it's just something different to add to the collection, honestly. That's my whole thing when it comes to fashion, being very versatile, not having the same things all the time, and like having different clothing that pops out than the rest. So having multiple things that pop out than the rest is like the best way, because your fits are gonna be fine, just like that. But I'll be wearing these not to the beach because I don't want to get these like dirty like that. But like I have a trip coming up, but y'all will see that vlog coming soon. The trip is in like, well, I don't know when it's gonna be because I'm not gonna say it on here because I don't know when it's gonna be from watching this video. But like, yeah, hopefully this video will be out before I go on my trip. But yeah, y'all will see that trip video sooner or later on my summer days episode 3 or 2 maybe. I don't know. It's season 2 though. That's all I know. But yeah, go watch that video if you haven't watched the video. Thank you. But yeah, so these are the slides. Them together. These what they look like together. When they're on feet, they don't look bulky at all. They're just regular slides. Like I said, they give a little extra style to them. On the inside, there's really nothing. It just has a size. That's literally all. But other than that, it's the bottom, the white bottom. Hopefully these are really comfortable when I start actually wearing them. Like I said, I'm gonna wear them tomorrow, and yeah, I'm gonna wear them tomorrow. And in this video, okay, I'm going to wear them tomorrow, and I'm gonna see how they are all day tomorrow. And while I'm editing this video, I'll let y'all know, like, if they're comfortable or not. But aren't these just like so dope, y'all? I think these are really so dope. And like something funky, something different. I know I've seen a lot of brands like remake this type of shoe. I don't know if Dior was the first ones to make these. I'm not gonna claim that, but like I don't know. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk y'all to death. It's very simple. Get the shoe, cop the shoe, buy the shoe. Don't walk, run, please. Like I said, $15 off with my code Tyler on your order. These were not much. These are very affordable. When it's time to ball on a budget right, and you know who to come for that every freaking time. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all to my friend for sending me the shoe. And love y'all down. But without further ado, stay blessed. And T-Money's gonna lay it to rest. I'm out.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless up.
Soon as I wake up in the morning.